Now we have the Spanish song. We're going to be learning a new chord, E major, which is E, G sharp and B. Let's give it a practice with the left hand. Finger 5 on E. Great job. Right, now this piece we'll be using a C major 5-finger scale. So we'll be starting in a C 5-finger scale, which you know very well. And then, halfway through the piece, we're going to move to an A minor 5-finger scale. Okay, so that's just showing you how those two are played again. Great. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play the piece, then we're going to practice, and then we're going to play with the rhythm. Are you ready? Let's go. Now move your right hand up to A minor. Okay, now let's get ready to practice. Are you ready? Let's play. Now we're going to play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's listen to the music and let's play. Well done. How did you get on? Would you like to try it one more time or move on to the next one?